Here's a GRE geometry question. Let's take a look. In the xy coordinate plane, triangle RST is equilateral. Points R and T have coordinates 0, 2, and 1, 0, respectively. So we want to know what's greater. The perimeter of triangle RST, or 3 times the square root of 5. Well, let me quickly just sketch this out. So I have my xy coordinate plane here. There's my x-axis and my y-axis, like that, right? And I'm told that the point R is at 0, 2. So that's going to be 0, 2. I'll just put that like right there and label that point R as 0, 2. There we go. And then I have the point T at 1, 0 right there. 1, 0 right there. And that is point T. Now, I'm told that this is part of an equilateral triangle RST. So where is S? It could be out here, right? In which case we would have a triangle like this, right? And that's my equilateral triangle where all 3 sides are equal. Or it could also be down here, and I could make a triangle this way. But the bottom line is it doesn't actually matter which one of these 2 points S is, because I'm looking for the perimeter of the triangle, and that's not going to change depending on what S is. So for our sake here, let's just use this triangle. This is an equilateral triangle RST, like this, right? Now, if I want to find the perimeter of the triangle RST, what do I need to do? I need to add up the 3 sides. So if I can figure out the length of this side right here, then I can just multiply that by 3, and I'll know the perimeter of it. Well, you might know the distance formula, and if you do, congratulations. It's a tough one. I'm not going to write it all out here, but you can easily look that up. So you can find the distance between 2 points, right, which is what this is, a straight line from 0, 2 to 1, 0, and plug in the distance formula. Or what you could do is use the Pythagorean theorem. Because, see, we have a right triangle right here, right? This is a right triangle right here. This line is the hypotenuse of a right triangle. So let's use the Pythagorean theorem. What is this distance from 0, 0 to 1, 0? Well, that's a distance of 1. And the distance from 0, 0 to 0, 2 going up is 2. So if I use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, 1 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared, and I solve this, I find that c is equal to the square root of 5. So this leg of the triangle is equal to the square root of 5. Well, how many legs are there in a triangle? There are 3 of them. So 3 times the square root of 5 is indeed the perimeter of triangle RST. So the correct answer here is C. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.